Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to sign into YouTube app via QR code on LG Smart TV. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Play Store app on your mobile device and make sure to sign into your account. After signing in, get to the app search section and then search for QR code scanner. Now, a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. Simply access the first app tile and then download it onto your device. Once done, tap on the Open button and allow all of the required permissions. Now, all you need to do is scan the QR code being displayed on your LG TV. After that, open the top link and you will be prompted to verify the code. Simply tap on the Continue button and then allow all of the permissions. As you can see, the account was logged in successfully. So that's basically how you can sign into YouTube app via QR code on LG Smart TV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.